Here are some advanced methods that might help you unlock your full Steam download speed. In some cases, Steam download speed is limited by how your system allocates resources, especially CPU usage during downloads. You can try increasing Steam's priority. Open Task Manager, go to the Details tab and find steam.exe. Right-click it, then set priority to high. Do not set it to real-time as that can cause system instability. Also, if you are using a slower hard drive, your system might feel less responsive while downloading. Steam downloads are compressed, so your CPU also has to process the data. Giving it higher priority can improve download speed. Windows also has a feature called TCP Auto-Tuning that helps optimize your network performance. If it is disabled, your download speeds can be significantly limited. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and type netsh interface TCP show global. Look for Receive Window Auto-Tuning Level. If it says disabled, type netsh TCP set global auto-tuning level equals normal. Then restart your PC and try downloading again. In most cases, this setting is already enabled by default, so this only helps if it was disabled. If anything breaks, for example due to an older router, you can easily revert the change. Just open Command Prompt and type netsh TCP set global auto-tuning level equals disabled. You can also try a very simple fix that sometimes works for no clear reason. Pause your download, wait a few seconds, then start it again. This might sound strange, but in some cases it can reset the connection to Steam servers and improve your download speed. It doesn't always work, but it's quick to try and has helped in some situations. Hopefully one of these methods helped you improve your Steam download speed. If not, check out my other video for more possible solutions.